Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this simple quick recipe for making papaya oil. So in that silver bowl I've got some papaya flesh, and this was half of a small papaya, and I'm covering it with olive oil. You can use any oil you prefer. Alternative oils that I'll recommend is sunflower oil, coconut oil, or sweet almond oil. All these oils will work really well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make simple DIY recipes to help improve your skin and hair. Go ahead and subscribe by clicking that red button, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Pardon my silverware, guys. I need new containers. I've just moved in. This is what was available. So anyways, I've just put this on very low heat. I let it cook for about 20 minutes before I took it off the fire, stirring occasionally. Papaya is amazing. I've just done like 4 recipes in my recent video. I'll make sure I'll put it in the end screen of this video, and I'll put a link for it in the description box below as well, so you can check out. Basically, once this is cooked, I'm just going to get a clear glass bowl. I'm going to pop a sieve on it, and then I'm going to pour my papaya through it so I can strain my oil out. You can use this oil in lotions, you can use it in soaps, you can use it directly on the skin. It works really well to brighten the skin. Papaya is an amazing skin brightener. So if you're struggling with spots, you need to incorporate papaya somehow into your skincare. Okay guys, so look how dry my papaya is looking. So once you're done cooking it, this is what it should look like. So I started off with a juicy chunk of papaya, and this is what it looks like now. So you can tell that all the nutrients has been transferred into the oil, and it is basically ready for use. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. This is what my papaya is looking like. You can see that the color of the oil has changed a little bit. It has this orange tint to it, and it's basically ready for use. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up already, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can further support me by following me on my Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.